Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and everything. So yeah, make sure. Okay, so you see these two burgers
Looking normal.
and my dog barking in the back, right? Until you see this. You're probably like, what the heck? Oh, don't worry. Oh! I forgot. This is my brother again. What's up, guys? Yeah. This is Nickelodeon slime sauce, which is technically ketchup, and it tastes just like ketchup. So like, it tastes delicious. It's really good. I mean, it tastes like ketchup. It's just green. And like, you know, when you see the Nickelodeon, they're always having like slime and stuff. Well, this is the Nickelodeon ketchup sauce in green, and it's good. It's like ketchup with your fries or with your burger. It's the same thing. It's delicious. Yeah, it has ketchup all over it. Like, oh my god, it's extremely good. Like, really good. What are you doing, Benji? Go. Your dog right now. He's just looking at them like, oh my god. Don't mind our set stuff though.
Go, take some bread, Benji. Take some bread.
This is delicious. It's just like ketchup. It's just like ketchup. It's just Nickelodeon. Like, look at that.
Nickelodeon. That is slime, not ketchup. It's slime. Look at it.
Anyway,
Look at it.
No, it's ketchup. Oh my god. I
It's
even looked at
slime.
the ingredients. Tomato ketchup, tomato concentrate, yeah, whatever. Tomato. It's go ahead, buy it. It's in your Walmart.
Liar. It's an Arnia Walmart.
Isn't it the same thing?
Our
Anyway,
neighbors is the same thing, but
You can find that in Walmart, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See ya. Bye.
see you all. Bye.
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 I hope you guys, like, are
Bye.
just, like,
Bye.
oh my
Bye.
God.
Bye. Bye. Why is the video not saying bye? Bye. Bye.
Okay,
Go.
ja. Okay, yeah, no, you guys have probably seen the movie Toy Story 3 where the girl's like, bye now, bye for now. And my brother's like, oh my god, what the heck?
Benji, do not bite my hair.
Anyway, see you guys. Bye.